Developing tonight, an Indiana doctor who performs abortions is taking more legal action against Indiana's Attorney General. Attorneys for Dr. Caitlin Bernard filed the lawsuit today. WRTV's Caitlin Kendall has been following this case since the beginning and joins us now tonight with a new development.
Yeah, Nicole, I can tell you this all started back in July when Dr. Caitlin Bernard was put into the national spotlight. She performed an abortion on a 10-year-old girl from Ohio who was raped. That led to Attorney General Todd Rokita calling Bernard out on national news, vowing to investigate the circumstances surrounding the abortion and whether or not she followed proper reporting procedures. Dr. Bernard's lawyers eventually filed a cease and desist against Rokita and his office. Today, lawyers for Bernard have filed suit against Rokita to keep him from accessing her private patient medical records. The lawsuit was filed on behalf of Dr. Bernard, her medical partner, Dr. Amy Caldwell, and their patients. The lawsuit claims that they all have been harassed by Rokita. It goes on to say the Attorney General has violated numerous Indiana statutes. The lawsuit states that Rokita has sent subpoenas for medical records of patients who didn't, in fact, file any complaints to the AG's office. The AG's office is responding to that lawsuit. They issued a statement saying the claim is, quote, blatant hypocrisy, given that Rokita himself claimed that Bernard violated patient privacy. His office says that so far, Rokita has issued at least 5 subpoenas that the law office knows of, but that there are potentially more. The statement says that the AG's office investigates thousands of potential licensing, privacy, and other violations a year, and that the majority of those complaints that his office receives in general are from non-patients. Now, WRTV did obtain a copy of the terminated pregnancy report from the abortion that Bernard performed on the 10-year-old. It does show that Bernard did properly report the abortion in the legally required time frame. We have that entire lawsuit and more details on what both Rokita and Bernard's lawyers are saying on our website in this story right now. That's at WRTV.com. Nicole?
Our Caitlin Kendall breaking it all down for us tonight. Right now, abortion is legal in Indiana. In September, a judge's ruling paused enforcement of the abortion law, which lawmakers passed during a special session in August. That law was a near total abortion ban with few exceptions. But again, a judge has blocked enforcement of it. The state Supreme Court will decide what happens next after it hears oral arguments in mid-January.